I just wanted to pop on here. It's been a while, so I just wanted to play around with makeup today. I have some of the new bareminerals Floral Utopia collection, so it's just full of color and it really inspired me to do this fun spring look. So I'll be sharing that with you today. I already did my face makeup and everything just to get that out the way and just to be quick. I just want to focus on bringing color to my face. So bareminerals, I've been using them for a long time. It's one of those brands that I kind of started using when I was transitioning more to cleaner beauty, and I get that there's a variety of what you would consider clean beauty. So let's get started. So I will be using some of the new brushes. These are beautiful, purple, soft yet dense. So blooming brush. This is the Expert Shadow Liner brush and the Seamless Shaping Finish brush. So I'll be playing around with some of these. So since I did my base and my foundation and everything, I want to take a little bit of the bareminerals mineral veil, and I just want to powder everything since I didn't get to yet before. It's starting to crease a little already. Just tapping a little on my lid, getting this seamless shaping brush. I'm just gonna set everything. Okay, so I want to start on eyes, of course. So this is the Bouquet palette, and it has 6 really beautiful colors. I do want to quickly swatch that for you. It would be really typical for me to just go straight for the rose gold, but let's go for the purple. Okay, so I want to start out. So just taking one of my fluffy blending brushes and starting on the crease. Taking the next shade right next to it. So just placing that under the crease and just trying to blend it and get more definition. Lots of blending here. It's going to be smoky. Create an outer V. Okay, I just want to soften everything up and clean everything up, so I'm going back and just smoothing things out. Now I'm going to use the Expert Shadow Liner brush from the collection, and I want to go in right on the lid, but it applies really matte. This might be turning into a evening spring look. The colors are kind of dark, but we'll see how this turns out. I just wanted to hop on here and play like I just said. So I wanna get that on underneath the lash line and placing it, and then I'm kind of smudging it at the same time. All towards the lash line, and it defines the eye much more also. Okay, wiping that brush, this little pencil brush that I have, I do want to go into the light rose gold color because it's sparkly and I still want to open up the eye. So I'm going for that, and I'm putting that in the inner corners of the eye. for highlight and pop. There you go. Slightly blend it in there. So I see I want to clean up under the brow, and I see this pretty matte shade right here. And I just want to go underneath the eyebrow and just kind of highlight. And it's also going to clean up a little bit, but not too much. Just looking at the eyes, want to blend anything and make it just seamless and diffuse. Done with the eyes, I want to take some liner, micro liner from bareminerals also. So I'm just gonna line my inner tight line on the top. I'm going to use some mascara. This is the LASHTOPIA. It's a big chunky brush. So I will brush them kind of sideways. I look kind of like that look a lot. And then lower. Again, wispy going out. Now I want to take this color, this blush. It's called Tropical Orchid. Really pretty, like a purple. Looks matte. And I'll use my blooming brush. Since that brush kind of comes on kind of hard, taking the seamless brush and I'm just kind of buffing it out, making it look softer. I have this highlighter, quick swatch. Very spring, I know. I'm gonna highlight around my nose a little. Cupid's bow. Blend that in. Take it around here and here. Blend it out with my fingers. Very iridescent looking on the skin. On the brow bone too. Now this brings a Utopia vibe. I think I like the diffuser brush better to apply blush with. And lastly, the lipstick, which is also purple. This one's called Put Tulips Together. Really beautiful. Quickly swatch that. Now this really brings the look together.